Hello friends, today I will show you how to make an easy lamp at home. So let's start. Just you have to take a glass of water, a mobile phone with a flashlight, a simple white paper and a sellotape. So let's start. First, you have to cover the glass with paper. Like this. Now add some sellotape to join the paper. Now take a mobile and on its flashlight. Now I will switch off the main light, so please wait. As you can see this flashlight gives some light. Now I will show you. The lamp will give more light. Like this. It's really good. Friends, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel.